and this chutney is so tasty. Please try it. Enjoy. Thank you. Hello, welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am making a chutney for idlis. This is a very special chutney, and the main ingredient is celery, or you can eat it with rice also. I am taking half a cup of coconuts, 1/4 cup of the chutney dal, 4 green chilies, and little bit of tamarind, a little piece of onions, big of curry leaves, and my main ingredient is celery. This is celery chutney. This is one of my favorite chutneys. So let's cut the celery. Since I used pieces of coconut, I'm going to grind it first. I ground the coconut first. Now I am adding the chutney dal and green chilies, tamarind, curry leaves. I'm going to grind it again, grinding the celery at the end with onion. This is my quick and easy celery chutney. It's very tasty. If you haven't tried this, please try this. Celery has a lot of vitamins, nutrients, lot of potassium, and it is very good for your health. And you can have it since it has a lot of potassium in it, you have to add very little salt and taste it and see is that enough for you, and add it like your taste. So I added only 1/4 teaspoon of salt for this chutney. I'm not going to do any tadka for this because I like it like this, and the flavor is so good for the celery. And I'm going to serve it with idli. I'll show you. And this chutney is so tasty. Please try it. Enjoy it. Thank you.